important quick announcement for you guys. The admission for the next year batch is open now. You can start enrolling, start the registration, because we have limited seats only. We have to concentrate each and every kid, right? So we just have a limited seats. So grab the offer. So what is the cost? What is the uses of those? You can check out our post as well. But I'm giving you the brief. Here we have two type of programs. One is Achiever Batch, that is JEE droppers or NEET droppers who want to attempt it again, and whoever planning to write 2026 examinations of JEE and NEET. Okay, so JEE and NEET batches are open now. The classes are going to start very soon, so please do grab the offer. And Visionaries batch is a 2-year program. Who are all willing to write the examination are 2027. Okay, so that is our 2-year program. So what is the cost of this batch, if you are asking? Then, since I have told you this is limited discount, limited seats, this is for our subscribers who will be watching over here. So I'm going to offer it. The 2-year program is just $999 only, and the 1-year batch, which is for the whole year, you're going to pay just $4,999 only. Okay, that's the one-time fees. You can utilize it till your examination is getting over. Okay, so you'll be getting the mock test, DPPs, hundreds of DPPs, and more than hundreds of practice tests. The doubt session, you can schedule your doubt sessions on your own. I'll be taking your doubt sessions, and the sessions are well planned because we have years of experience in this field. So please do enroll. This is having an advantage of 24/7 doubt session. You can ask it anytime. You can schedule a class. Okay, so please do grab the offer.